Unitherm Nova Coating, the new art of coating. Welcome to Unitherm Nova Coating, UNC, a pioneering joint venture between Unitherm Engineers Limited, India's leading expert in commercial atmospheric heat treatment, and Nova Coating Germany, specialists in advanced surface coating technologies, where advanced PVD technology meets precision engineering. This is the new art of coating. Every component begins its journey with a detailed incoming inspection. Dies and molds and cutting tools are carefully evaluated to ensure dimensional integrity, surface condition, and process suitability, laying the foundation for consistent coating performance. Precision-controlled shot blasting creates uniform surface conditions. It enhances coating bonding and ensures repeatable, high-quality results for demanding applications. Precision polishing refines surface finish and prepares tools for optimal coating results. This step plays a vital role in reducing friction, improving coating adhesion, and enhancing final performance. Advanced 6-stage fully automatic cleaning systems ensure complete removal of residues and contaminants. A perfectly clean surface is essential for strong, uniform, and durable PVD coatings.
Hello everyone, I'm Philipp from Nova Coating Germany, leading research and development. In R&D, our focus is advancing PVD coating architectures by refining material composition, process parameters, and performance validations. A critical element of this work is a technical cooperation with our UNC team in India. Together we develop and fine-tune coating solutions for high-demand cutting tools as well die and mold applications. Through continuous data exchange, testing, and feedback from real applications, we ensure our coating remain robust, adaptable, and agile with future requirements. This close technical partnership is a key driver of innovation at the Unitherm Nova Coating, and we're looking forward to strengthening its future. Thank you.
At the heart of Unitherm Nova Coating are world-class PVD coating systems from Germany. Engineered for accuracy and process stability, these systems deliver advanced coatings that significantly improve wear resistance, tool life, and productivity for dies and molds and cutting tools. The machine can process maximum of dia 650 mm by 750 mm tool with weight capacity between 800 to 1000 kg. Our state-of-the-art laboratories ensure every coating meets stringent quality standards through inspection, testing, and continuous process validation.
At Unitherm Nova Coating, we treat PVD coating as both science and craft. By combining global technology with deep application understanding, we help our customers achieve higher tool life, consistent performance, and reliable results. That's how we define the new art of coating.
Unitherm Nova Coating, PVD coating specialists for dies and molds and cutting tools. Delivering performance, building trust. The new art of coating.